Want to automate multiple PDF tasks in one single workflow? Imagine merging, compressing, watermarking, protecting, and processing your PDF files automatically, all in just a few clicks. That's exactly what VelaPDF's Pipeline Workflow tool lets you do. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start saving serious time. Most people handle PDF tasks one by one. You compress a file, then go back and add a watermark, then open another tool to protect it with a password. It's slow, repetitive, and honestly, frustrating. VelaPDF's Pipeline Workflow completely changes that. Instead of jumping between different tools, you combine multiple actions into one single automated process. One upload, one click, everything done. How to use Pipeline Workflow? Let's go through it step by step so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Open the tool. Head over to VelaPDF.com and navigate to the Pipeline Workflow tool. It's easy to find right from the main dashboard. Step 2. Upload your PDF files. Once you're inside the tool, upload your PDF files. You can either drag and drop them directly onto the screen or click the Upload button to browse and select files from your device. Step 3. Add your first action. Now it's time to build your workflow. Start by choosing your first action from the available options.
Step 3. Add your first action. Now it's time to build your workflow. Start by choosing your first action from the available options. For example, let's begin with Compress PDF. This reduces the file size so your document is lighter and easier to share. Step 6. Customize each step's settings. Each action in your pipeline comes with its own customizable settings. For compression, you can choose the quality level. For watermarks, you can set the text, font, position, and opacity. For password protection, you enter your chosen password. Step 7. Run the workflow. When everything is set up and you're happy with the order and settings, simply click the Run Workflow button. Step 8. Download your final files. Once processing is complete, your fully processed PDF files are ready. Download them instantly with one click. Fast, clean, and exactly how you set it up.
Real use cases. So who is this tool actually for? Honestly, almost everyone. Students can use it to manage and organize academic assignments before submission. Businesses can automate the processing of reports, contracts, and internal documents. Freelancers can brand and protect client deliverables in one smooth workflow. And teams handling repetitive PDF tasks daily can eliminate manual work entirely and focus on things that actually matter. Why it's useful. The biggest advantage of Pipeline Workflow is pure automation. You build your process once and it runs perfectly every single time. No switching between tools, no repeating steps manually, no wasted time. Whether you're processing 5 files or 500, the workflow handles it all consistently and efficiently. Ready to try it yourself? Visit VelaPDF.com today, open the Pipeline Workflow tool, and start automating your PDF tasks in minutes. It's free to use and works right in your browser, no installation needed. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest content. Turn on notifications so you're the first to know whenever we upload new tutorials on tech tools, AI, and productivity. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.